Hello, this is Risha, and this is my project World Statistic for CSE 564. As we can see in the recent times due to COVID-19, there has been a lot of impact on health expenditures, GDP, immunization, and unemployment. But these trends are common in previous years as well, just a change in the name of the disease or some other factors. So, my main motive was to visualize how much impact it has caused in the last 15 years. For this, I have created a dashboard wherein I have used a slider over the years, a reset button to reset for the graph, and a drop down to select which all attributes we need to select. I've created a line chart for the growth of country over the years, an NMDS chart for all the countries, and an arc graph which shows how much of that country has contributed. A scatter plot which shows how much has been effect for the life expectancy, and a bubble chart which compares with the population and life expectancy. So we'll start with 2005 for health expenditure. Here, the yellow color shows that the countries have been very minimum value, and the green color shows that they have increased tremendously. If you scroll over the graph, we can see that some of the countries have definitely increased over the years. If you see Sweden, Sweden has contributed a lot as compared to many other countries, even France, and of course USA. The line chart shows us like how the graph has increased over the years. And if we want to see how the comparison is done based on the distances between the countries, I've used an MDS chart. If I hover over the points, I can see that there are a lot of countries based on life expectancy. I've even used a quad tree which shows which points or the data points can form a cluster based on their distances. If we hover over the continents, we see Asia being a largest population, still they haven't as much contributed as compared to other countries like Europe and America. Africa has always been on the bottom because of the conditions like population, or there has been a lot of time where they're suffering from a lot of diseases. If we hover over this graph, we will see which country has been we have populated. If we consider the immunization, let's see how the countries have fared over the last 15 years. As you can see, the countries like Kazakhstan and African countries have initially been a well uh, grown countries in immunization. But let's see how the other countries fare over the years. Scroll over, we can see that Kazakhstan improved in the last 2 years as compared to what their initial value was. But let's see how Africa is doing. If we see, Africa has a very fluctuating immunization contribution for their people. Even Sweden, which initially did well, had significantly decreased. As you can see from this line chart, there was a steady increase and then they started decreasing over the values. Let's look at the sanitization. As you can see, India had a very low sanitization value, and even African countries, there are a lot of African countries who didn't do well in the sanitization field. But if we go to the previous years, there is still no change in the African countries. This clearly shows that African continent or the African countries are not contributing much to the sanitization facilities, and this is what is leading to great diseases and a lot of pandemics. Let's look at the unemployment. Here the case will be different for the colors yellow and green. But if you see, there were not as many unemployment people over the or on 2005. But as you scroll over the years, we can see there is started becoming green for some regions. So these are the countries from Africa which have faced a lot of unemployment. And if we even compare Brazil, Brazil has been facing a lot of unemployment things. So, in conclusion, I would like to say that big countries like USA and China, who are major contributors, there are small countries that are developing within the years, and maybe the factors like population are not in their favor. It would be great if all countries help each other, wherein the problems can be minimized. And here is my poster slide, wherein I have created um, all the values in one plot. Thank you.